Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen and Nikki. Today I want to show you how to interlock a permanent dread, and for you to achieve this permanent interlocking, you need your foam. Actually the foam is not necessary, only if the dread is short. So after that you need your mousse, you need spray gel, and you also need your hair wax, the Nova spray, eco styling gel, hair wax, and you need your crochet pin. So those are the tools you need. And firstly you need to wash the hair very well. After washing the hair, then stay tuned and let's get started with the tutorial. So after when you're done with the washing, and if you actually want to dye the hair, make sure you dye the hair before washing. But if you're not dyeing the hair, just wash the hair thoroughly, then you begin to part the hair just the way I'm doing with your tail comb. Make sure you part it very well. After when you are done with the parting, you apply your hair wax. Can you just see, you just apply little, then you apply it to the roots of the dread just the way I'm doing it. After applying it, you use your hand to to turn it over to lock it very well. So after that, after when you finish locking it, you use the method of north, south, and west, east to interlock the hair with your crochet pin. Just pay attention, and I believe you guys will love the outcome of the interlocking. As you can all see, the dread, the way it's looking rough already, and this is the first time is actually interlocking the hair since you have been keeping the dread. So just pay attention and watch me, guys. You'll love the outcome. Can you just see, I'm actually using this method, the north, south, and the west, east. That is how you insert your pin to make sure the root is well tight and is well interlocked. Can you see? So while doing this, make sure you cut it very neat. As you can see, the way I'm applying my echo, you can also use your echo or hair wax, but I'm applying wax. Can you just see? You first roll it with your hand to make sure the roots is thick, and it will be very easy for you to insert your crochet pin to pass it, and use this method of a north, west, and north, south, and west, east. Can you see? You turn it, you insert the pin, insert it from north to south, then from west to east, just to make sure the root is very tight. So that is how you keep going, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up if you love what I'm giving you. And if you're just turning to my channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. So guys, let's continue with the tutorial. That is how you keep going. Make sure you lock it with your hand very well before you insert your crochet pin. Can you just see? It's very easy to achieve. Just pay attention and watch it carefully. Can you see? You go again, insert your crochet pin. This is the second insert. You repeat on the other side. Can you see? That is how you keep going with the interlocking. As you can see, the way the hair is looking rough, but you guys trust me, at the end of this interlocking, the dread will look beautiful and neat. So that is how you keep going with the dread. Can you see? It's looking beautiful already. That is how you keep going with it. Can you just see? Make sure you use your take comb. You can sharpen it to make sure the take comb is sharp very well. Then you begin to use the take comb to part the dread, just the way you are seeing it on your screen right now. So after parting the dread very well, you use your comb to brush the excess ones away. Then you apply your hair wax. You can also use dread interlocking gel, but to save money sometimes, and I'm showing you guys that you can actually use echo wax or echo gel to to interlock dread. That is, I'm showing you this method, so just pay attention and watch the tutorial from the beginning to the end. I would love to see your comments in the comment section below. If you have any question pertaining this interlocking, and if you have any else in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, just let me know in the comment section. And this is how the dread is looking already. Can you guys see? The dread is not looking rough anymore. Now this is the final one we want to interlock. Just repeat the same procedure to the whole hair round, and this is the final one I want to interlock. Can you guys see? The root is looking beautiful and is looking shine already. So after, when you finish the interlocking, then you go on and style the dread the way you want it, and that is the final look of the interlocking. That is how you interlock the dread. Can you just see? Just make sure you use the method of north, south and southwest, and you are done for the interlocking. So you guys, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is the final look of the dread. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next tutorial. Bye bye.